Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the language on the table in Wool Table Pro. So this video is very quick. So I'm going to edit a table, this one for example, and let me view it first. Get the shortcode here. Oh, this. And I'm going to put it in a post. New call table and paste it here and publish and expect it to fail. Thank you, WordPress. Anyways, I'm going to reload this and here it is. So this is our table, right? And you see previous next showing this to wow to 10 to 18 entries. Okay, so what we're going to do is to view this page and see what we want to change. So for example, I want to change first and next and previous, something like that. And the showing start to end of total entries is here. So I'm going to copy this, put it here, and edit my translation. For example, I'm going to change it to Spanish or something. Buscar, something like that. I don't know much of Spanish, so I don't know this one. So, but you get the idea. For example, previous in Spanish, something like that. So you should see this instead of previous, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, go back to my table, and you see that in the extra there is a field here. Simply paste it here, click create and save table, and now go back to the cool table and reload it. And you see that previous in Spanish. So all is here. They can change the text as you want, but I suggest that you put in a text file like this and edit it here, then copy and paste it here. Is much easier that way. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this feature is helpful to you. See you in the next video. I want to put the link to this in the description.